so you just got your first DJI Avata 2, and today we're gonna show you how to set it up in manual mode.
We'll be showing you the best settings you can use to have your most successful first manual mode flight.
Let's do it.
So the first thing you're gonna wanna do when going into your manual mode flight is you're gonna go ahead and go into settings, and then you're gonna go into control. And once you're in control, go to remote controller, and then you're gonna go to your setting called custom mode. And then with that custom mode, the original setting is gonna be set to sport mode. You're gonna go ahead and change that from sport mode over to manual mode. And that's just gonna be a simple thing, and it's gonna ask you if you want to accept, and you're gonna hit okay.
All right, guys, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna switch your C2 bottom button to start rotors. After that, C2 middle and C2 top should become stop motors if you did it correctly.
Okay, so the next thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna be wanting to turn your altitude limit on, which allows your preset altitude limit to engage in manual mode, which just helps keep it safe if you're a beginner, not to go too high if you get out of control.
All right, everyone, so once you're finished with those steps, you're gonna change some of your rates. You're gonna change the roll rate to 500, the pitch rate to 450, and the yaw rate to 320.
These make it some very good beginner settings that makes it easy to fly, and a drone won't be too hard to control. The first thing you're gonna wanna do before flying manual mode is adjust the controller to your liking. By doing that, you're gonna wanna peel back the dark gray plastic piece on the back of the controller. You're gonna wanna adjust your F1 and your F2 screws. So the first thing that we recommend you do is you back off the spring completely by completely unscrewing the F2 screw. F1 is gonna control the tension on the stick. You can adjust the F1 screw to your liking. It's a lot of personal preference with that, and it's just how you feel comfortable flying. As you become a better pilot, you'll probably wanna change these rates, and you'll find the settings that you eventually prefer, but as a beginner, these are good settings to start with.